picking the fruit for the kid. This is what we call kedondong. Yeah, it's kedondong. Oh, blood. Okay, they love it. Okay. There. We got kedondong. That's why I like to plant fruits, you know. When the fruit is growing, we can eat the fruits. And see, I got my lemon. Now I got a lot of lemon already. There, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lemon. This lemon I plant since I stay in Kuala Lumpur. I plant inside the pot. So when I came back here, I put on the land so the lemon can go bigger, you know. Beautiful lemon. This is a ginger trees. This is what we call kasturi lemon. Yeah, kasturi lime, and this is the lime. Okay, we got lime, we got lemon, and of course we got berry. Cannot scan, bloody hell. We can take the berries for the kid, but the kid didn't eat the lime, so I just take the kedondong. Thank you, lime. I also got picked up the banana, but the banana still green. Cannot eat yet. Okay, now we are going to see if I got star fruit, the yellow star fruit. But all the star fruits still green. Here we got 1 yellow. Okay, 1 yellow. We got 2. My goodness. I'm so lucky to have all these plants that I grew coming out. We got plant, we got banana. Oh, there is the yellow.